Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2060 Lexus NX200.
All keys lost smart key programming required. We need to be prepared for K518 Pro, OBD line, SIMO antenna, and Lonsdor's LT20 smart keys. First, plug in the OBD. Select special features. Key settings. LT20 smart key. Smart key conversion. Note that this function requires internet connection. The LT20 smart key is put into the local card slot. OK. By selecting key type. OK. Generate the key to 8A. OK. Select the corresponding menu according to the original car key. OK. According to the original car key, press the key setting button to determine the generation is successful. Do you need to continue the generation? Click OK. The second key also operate in the same way. The generation is successful. Do you need to continue the generation? No need to click cancel. Both keys have been successfully generated. Return to main menu. IMO and remote. Lexus. Select from type. All smart keys lost. Before 2016. Lost all the keys. Data backup. Click OK according to the prompts. Enter the name of the file to be backed up. OK. OK. Data backup successfully. After the data backup is successful, we need to generate a spare working key. Select Generate Emergency Key. Connect the SIMO antenna to our K518 Pro. Put the top of the antenna into the local card slot. OK. Select the data that has just been backed up. OK. OK. Emergency key generation successfully. Attention, we need to operate according to the prompt picture. OK. Now we select Add Smart Key. Please make sure that the smart key battery is fully charged. Turn on the ignition switch with our SIMO antenna. OK. OK. Put our SIMO antenna close to the one-click start button until the buzzer goes off. Within 30 sec to put back of the key close to car start button. The first key. The second key. Operation complete, OK. Turn off the ignition. Check if the key can be used normally. OK. Both keys have been programmed. Let's try to see if the key works. The first key hits the brake. Press the start button. The first key was successfully started the car. The second key hits the brake. Press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control works. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The first key is normal. The second key locks the car. Unlock. The second key is normal. Let's try to see if comfortable entry is normal. Lock the car. Unlock. Comfortable entry is normal.
We had programmed smart key for 2060 Lexus NX200. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.